Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a keyboard from MIKIBY. This is the K98 mechanical keyboard, obviously hot swappable switches, hot swappable keycaps, and it's got this beautiful layout. I really like the keycaps as well. The red and the black accents are really nice. Of course this can be changed depending on your style. You can get any keycaps you want and change them accordingly. And this is the box for it. If we have a look on the back, we have the full layout of the keyboard. This is how the keyboard looks like. RGB, type different, play different. And pretty much that's it. There's not a lot of specs, but let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that maybe we'll have it next to our setup so you guys can get an idea on how you will look next to your setup, and we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have plenty of accessories, but as always we'll start with the small stuff first. So right here we have the full user guide manual. It will tell you everything you need to know about the connections. This keyboard has a 3-mode connection. That means you can use Bluetooth, you can use wired, and you can use 2.4 gigahertz wireless. The keyboard has a 2.4 gigahertz dongle which you can store inside. I'm going to show you guys that in a second. And this is everything you need to know, from battery to the connections, warranty, how to change switches properly, and so on. And right here we have a quick start guide, basically all the keyboard shortcuts and so on in different languages. So we have Japanese, Chinese, and English. And again, how to connect it, how to use the FN keys, what the knob does, and everything else. So I suggest you guys give this to a read. It'll take you less than 5 minutes, so you can understand what this keyboard can do, how to use it at its max potential, and basically how to get the most out of it. They have also included some keycaps for Mac. So we have command, we have options, and so on. If you want to use it on a Mac, you can just change the according keys. We have a switch and a keycap puller, pretty basic one on white, matches the keyboard. They also included 2 switches, the same switches you find in the keyboard. So depending on what type of switches you order the keyboard with, they will include 2 additional spare ones, which I think it's pretty nice. We also have a wire. This is a USB Type A to USB Type C cable, which is used to either use the keyboard in wire mode, basically connect the Type A and to your PC or your Mac, any of your devices, and the USB Type C to the keyboard, or you can use it to charge it, basically, because it has a built-in battery. And this is the keyboard itself. It comes with a dust cover, MIKIBY branded, which I think is pretty nice. And this is the layout of the keyboard. The keyboard looks pretty nice. We have the knob right here, which is made out of metal. The keyboard has a plastic build. Everything is plastic, but it feels super solid. If we have a look right here on the ports, so we have the ports right here. You can change between Windows and Mac. Of course it's inverted. Let me see if I can fix this. Okay, so you can change between Windows and Mac. We have the USB Type-C port, and we have the Bluetooth and 2.4 gigahertz mode. The dongle is right here, and yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get in the box. Let's go ahead and set everything up, and I will show you guys how everything looks next to your setup. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so this is how the keyboard looks like when it's fully set up next to your setup. I love the RGB, it looks pretty cool. Again, I love the design choice of the keycaps with the white, black, and red. I think it looks really aesthetic. I connected the keyboard. It was really plug and play using the dongle. So you find the dongle right here in this slot. You pull it out, you plug it into your PC, and it's ready to go. That's all you gotta do. Just make sure the switch is set up to 2.4. this one right here, as you can see, set up to 2.4, and that's it. It's really that easy, plug and play, super easy to use. The keyboard, it's also super responsive. So if we press the Windows key, as you can see, no delay. I think it has about 1000 Hertz of pulling rate, which is really good, especially for a gaming keyboard. And of course you can change the RGB. Again, refer to the manual for that. It has a lot of RGB options. The volume knob works, so as soon as I rotate it, as you can see, it changes my volume slider. Pretty handy. If you tap on it, you'll mute it, tap again to unmute. Really handy to have a volume knob, and it also feels pretty solid. And for now, let's go ahead and do a sound test. I'm gonna get as close as I can with the camera and the microphone to the keyboard so you guys can hear how the keyboard sounds like. It sounds really good, by the way, but I'll let you guys be the judge of that. So let's do this now. Yeah, I think the keyboard sounds absolutely amazing, and pretty much that's it. That's it with the review. The keyboard is super easy to use. It sounds great, has all the options you need. The layout is absolutely amazing. All you're missing is basically the insert key, which not a lot of people use anyway. And yeah, if you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. You can feel free to check out their website as well. They do a lot of other stuff. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.